Hello everyone! We're here now at Sydney Opera House. We just parked our car there and we park our car at the second floor, and this is the sign going to Sydney Opera House on the right arrow, the right side, and Circular Quay and Royal Botanic Garden. We just park our car here in Wilson Parking. Okay, tara na po. At makita nyo po ang ganda ng Opera House dito sa Sydney, Australia. This is a popular tourist spot here in Sydney. Ayan po, may mga vending machine. If you want water, you can buy water there. Just swipe your card. Yan. Ganyan po dito. You just swipe your card. Pick up the numbers. Mag-pick lang po kayo ng number kung anong number ang gusto nyo. Kung Powerade, just pick up, take 4 and 2, then you have to pay. I don't know how much it costs. Ito po kami nagbabayad ng ticket for the parking. Pay station, credit card only. They just receive a card, and in here, they accept credit card and cash. Yan po. Para po yan sa mga parking. Ganyan po. Ka-high-tech ang Australia. See? Gusto nyo po ng cash, pwede rin. Gusto nyo ng debit card, pwede rin. At gusto nyo ng you just pay by phone now. Dito po kami. Woohoo! Makita nyo na po ang ganda ng Darling Harbour and Opera House. We are entering the Opera House. We are entering the Darling Harbour. Parang kailan lang po nandito mga kapatid ko. Yung dalawa, hindi ko na alam. Where are you? Why there? Merong boat. Look at that, guys. Do you see the boat, guys? It's a Zaandam. That's a Darling Harbour. You cannot pass by here, guys, kasi sarado po siya. May nagmo-model. Ang dalawa nandun. Meron pong boat dito. Ngayon, because it's still closed, we have to use kailangan po natin gumamit ng escalator. A tiny escalator here in Opera House. Maliit na, sobrang liit na escalator. See? Ayaw po nila mag-exercise sa mga tao. They just build an escalator here going up to the Opera House. Ganda-ganda, sobrang ganda. Hi, babe! Welcome to Opera House. Now we're here in Opera House. Tingnan mo yung boat, America. America liner.
Namay mo sakay ng sakyan.
Yeah. Look at this, guys.
It's here.
Yan po ang Darling Harbour.
America boat.
Yan po ang Darling Harbour, guys. The Darling Harbour here in Sydney.
Cruise, di ka magano?
Dito na po kayo. Ito ang boat ng
From America to
Zaandam, America.
From ito, Hawaii, kung saan. Cruise ship na. Di mo alam, tingnan mo sa YouTube.
Yung dalawa.
Mag-book kayo. Hindi ko, akala ko pero 1 month.
Katagal yan, babe.
Saka 1 month. 1 month pa.
Po ang okay, guys, I just signed off my vlog now. And don't forget to like, And please subscribe for your support. Supportan nyo po lahat ng vlogger kasi ang hirap po mag-vlog sa totoo lang. Sa totoo lang, napakahirap. Hindi po siya ganun kadali. Okay. Have a blessed weekend to everyone. And that's our hotel. Nakikita nyo po yung Crown Tower. Yan po ang Crown Tower Hotel. Sayang, Mary, hindi ka namin nadala sa Crown. Kundi kami nagpagawa ng bahay, dalhin ka namin doon, oh, sa Crown. Nakita mo yon? Hindi nga nagpagawa doon sa likod. Mahal kasi dyan, Mer. Dinala ko dyan mga kapatid ko, natulog lang. Ayaw lumabas. Hindi, ayaw nila lumo. Malamig kasi. Winter. Ay. Wow. This is an American ship, guys. American ship. It's a Sandam. Sandam. America liner. And that's the Darling Harbor. Yan po ang Darling Harbor, guys. Darling Harbor. Yan po mga boat na yan. Papunta yan sila ng Manly Wharf. Yan. Gusto mo mag-boat, Mer? Mag-Manly tayo? Manly, papunta ng Manly. Yan, Manly Wharf. At ayan po ang Opera House. There it is, the Opera House. Yan ang Opera House, guys. You seen the famous tourist spot here in Sydney, the Opera House. This is the famous tourist spot, Opera House. Sila Josephine, yan. Hi guys! Hello! Ayan po, famous tourist spot here in the Opera House. Okay guys, i-off ko muna po kayo. Ate, mag-tour muna po ako. See you in my next vlog for this famous tourist spot here in Sydney, Australia. Don't forget to like or share and please subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a lovely weekend.